Dad!
This is for you.
Knock it off, you kids.
Don't try and touch my stuff again, you hear me? Oh,
Go
don't push me.
Yeah, the fights are on. Come on. The only fights I'm interested in are the ones on TV. So knock it off, kids. They said you won't regret having kids.
She's biting me!
I mean, I don't mean to sound ungrateful, but it's always peanuts. They're always throwing peanuts. I like peanuts, don't get me wrong, but it's the assumption. I mean, nobody asked me. I mean, I might not like them, I might have an allergy, could be serious. I mean, I love peanuts, they're like my favourite nut, but I am partial to pistachio. Why can't they throw a pistachio? Ooh, incoming. Hang on, it might be. Peanuts. Every time.
Carol Baskins killed her husband and fed him to the tigers? What? No. Oh.
Oh, man, all of this hand-washing business makes my paws really dry. Oh, my poor paws. Oh, it's itchy. Itchy, 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 itchy. Oh, man.
What is this? Oh, man, chili, my favorite. Oh, Mom, you're the best. Hey, wait a second. This is vegan. I'm out of here.